This conference will now be recorded.
Then tell me what is object. If you people have really understood, then tell me what is object. So last class, this program we have practiced. Last class, this program we have practiced. This is the program we have practiced last class, right? This is the program we have practiced, right? So here I am having three questions. Here I am having three questions in this program. Last class we have seen how to access the class variable within the same class using method. How can we access the class variable outside the employee class with reference variable and access operator dot operator. So last class these two scenario we have seen. Today we are going to see like these scenarios like, can we create multiple object of same class? Can we update the value of employee id from 343 to 345? The name Isha, from Isha can we update to Isha Training, right? And what is object in this statement? This complete statement, actually what is object? So these three questions I have today. Are you getting my question? The question is, first of all, how to update the class variable values, how to create multiple object of the same class, right? And third question is, what is object in this statement? Everyone joined almost? Yeah. What is object here in this? I told you this is a syntax to create an object. Now, what is object in this statement? Please vote or give the answer here in the chat. I'll give you 30 seconds, 1 minute of time you take. No problem. I am okay. But please chat here. You please chat here. Everyone, please answer. In this complete statement, I am writing this statement. In this employee equal to new employee. Here, what is object? I am writing the question here. What is object? In this, what is object here? Here, what is object? What is object here? Object in above statement. So guys, you please answer it here. New employee, okay. E is the object, okay. E, please everyone ping your answer here. And for 30 second or 45 second, I will unmute. And you ping everyone. I am asking answer from everyone, not for one, two. Wrong or right, you please write in the chat. Okay, so most of them have answered here. Fine. Okay. Boni Govind. Fine. Perfect. Okay. At least everyone has tried. I am happy. Most of them have tried. Yeah. So, Boni and Govind. Yes. Yours answer is 100% correct. Now, let's see. Just go here. Actually, in this complete, see, this is the syntax to create an object of any class. To load any class, this is the syntax. But here, actually, new employee is an object. New employee is an object. New employee is an object. Object. Here, new employee is an object in this statement. So let's take fresh program. Don't save. Here, let's take fresh program. Control V. I will remove all this. Yeah, that's fine. I will remove all this. So this is my simple program. Yeah, this is my simple class. This remove this one also. Yes, today. Now let's give some. Yeah, and here again I am saving this same program. Control S, and here desktop your Java Bash 3 Java program Java Bash 3. Here I am creating one folder class object part 3. Here, please let me go back here. Yeah, I'll save this program here company.java. Yeah, now I have this program. So the first question is, what is object? This is a syntax to create an object so that our class should load it and we can get the output of their members, variables, method, everything. Now, second question is, what is object here? So object is actually new employee is an object. New employee is an object. Here E is a reference variable. It is not an object. It is a reference variable which holds the address of this employee object. Okay. And this is class. E is a type, E is a reference variable. Why it is a reference variable? Because it is a type of class. So any class type variable means reference variable, and reference variable always holds the address of the right side. So right side new employee is there. So this E is holding the address of this one. But what is object? Actually, this one is object. New employee is object. Everyone is clear on this? Everyone, please sign off. If you are not clear, interrupt me. Guys, please tell me your doubt. Why you are silent? What
Yes,
happened?
it is clear.
It
Clear,
is
clear.
clear. Okay, from your side it's clear. Others?
Yes, sir, we are clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear. Clear.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Good. Now, yeah, thank you. Thank you. Some students are still pinging. Yeah. So now second question is, how can we create multiple object of the same class? I am writing a question on the top of this program and I will comment this. First question was, what is object in the statement? This one. Second question is, can we create multiple object of same class? If yes, then how? Next question is, how can we update the value of class member or class variable? So these three questions are there. So one answer already we got. Object is answer here we got. We got the answer. So answer is new employee. Good. Now what I will do, the next question, can we create multiple object of same class? What is the answer?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. These guys are still asking. This miscommunications no kill actually. It will keep on. I am very much fed up. Nandini, you joined. Achal, you have joined now. Okay. Now go to your program. I am fed up today. Can we create multiple object of? Yes, we can create a multiple object of same class. So how? If we can create, then how we can create? Right. Now we can create how means using reference variable. Using reference variable, not simple different reference variable. We can create multiple object of the same class. So how many times you will create an object of this class? That many times this employee class will get loaded into memory. That many times. So first of all, see how can we create a multiple object of the same class. So one object you already created. Again, I am creating an object. Just give the different reference variable name. Let's say E1 equal to new. This is new object of the same class. Again, if you want to create employee E2 equal to new employee. Okay. So here we have created how many objects? 3 objects. Now check the address of this. If how can you prove that 3 objects have been created for this same class? So let's print the reference variable. Yeah. Let me copy this line. Let me increase the font size. So here the value of reference E equal to plus E. Now here the value of E1 equal to plus E1 and the value of E2 equal to plus E2. Now just compile and execute this. So what is that folder? I think the folder is class object part 2. Class object part 2 part 3. Yeah. Now Java C. What is the program name? Company. So we do not have any issue in the program. Now Java company. Let's. Oh my God. Java company. So see here. Can you see we got different address? It means that we have created multiple 3 objects of the same class. Means whenever you will create a new object, new address will be allocated in the memory. And again that class. So 3 times this class have been loaded. First because of this, second because of this, third because of this. Till here clear? And see the address also, 3 different addresses are there. Can you see that? 3 different addresses. This point is clear. How can we create a multiple object of same class? Then we'll see what is the use of that. But this point is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Oh, good. Now, if you are not clear, please tell me. I will stop for you. I will take another 1 minute. I will revise it. Again, I will try to make you understand. Do not worry for others. If you understood, you tell. Don't worry for others. I am talking about everyone, not a single person. Okay, fine. If you are okay, then I'll go ahead. Now, what is the use of creating this different multiple object of the same class? Why? First of all, okay, can we create or not? Yes, we can create. We are allowed to create different multiple object of the same class. What is the use? Can anyone tell me? Why? What is the use? Sorry. So to update the value of the class members, class variables, we can use the reference variable. So here, if I want to update the value of employee ID from 343 to 344, so I can write e dot employee ID equal to 344. With this reference variable E1 dot employee ID equal to 345. Here E2 dot employee ID equal to 346. So if we will print all this value, let me print. Finally, I am printing. Here the value of employee ID with reference variable E equal to I will write e dot employee ID. Yes. Control C, Control V, Control V. The value of variable E1 is E1 dot employee ID. The value of the reference variable E2 with reference variable E2. The value of employee ID with reference variable E2. Now, just compile. Yeah, we do not have any issue. Now we'll execute this program. Now see, can you see with E dot employee ID 344, with E1 345, and with E2 346. So what is the use here? With single copy of the object. See, this is one copy of this employee class with reference variable E. This is another copy of employee class E1. So, so with any reference variable, you can keep track of your own data. Okay. Okay, here you are working in the program. Let's say, no, I want here this variable to be changed to this one. You create a new object. You can play with this. Whenever I will write e2 dot employee id, it will always say 346. But if I will write e2 dot name or e1 dot name or e dot name, it will be Isha for everyone because I have not changed it. So one original copy of the object is present in the memory, name equal to Isha with all the reference variable. You can print here. Isha will be same because I have not updated with any one of the reference variable. So see here, the value of name, the value of name, the value of name E2 here instead of employee ID, you write what is that? Name everywhere. So control C, control V, control. Name will be same. See, original copy is present with any object you try because I didn't modify. So it will compile. See here, Isa everywhere. Right? No. I want to update with E2 name. I want to update. So you can with which reference, with which object you want to update the value of name. You can take that reference and simply you can update. Okay, E2 dot name from Isa. You just change to training. Now you can write the value of name after updating, after update with reference variable E2. Now go and compile and execute. Yes, no error. See here. Can you see that? Before updating it was Isa with E2 reference variable. With E2 we are getting training now. But if you print E and E1, still Isa will be there. Still, if you print now E and E1, still you will get Isa only. You will get Isa only. See here. But for with E2 you will get training. Are you getting? See here, with E and E1 is still Isha, only with E2 training got updated from Isha to training. So is there any doubt in this program till now? Tell me first. Tell me first. Is there any doubt, any issue in this program?
No doubts.
Okay. Now let me take another program, or I want to take how can we update the value of class variable? We got it. The answer using reference variable. Using reference variable. Using reference variable. Sorry. Now let me copy this program. Just take new. I am typing this. Let's remove all this. Let's remove all this. I do not want. Okay, let it be. Now it's okay. Now the next question is the next question is, can we update the value of class variable using only object? What is the question now? Just read it here. Can we update the value of class variable with object only? This is my question. What is object in this complete statement? What is object? What is object in this complete statement?
New
New
employee.
employee.
New employee.
No.
So my question is, can we update the value of employee ID or name using new employee? This is my question, and guys, this is very much tricky.
Yes.
Yes, good. Others? I want this vote.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Everyone, yes?
Yep.
Anyone, no? Huh? Anyone, no? Who is saying
No.
no?
No.
Okay, one. Who is that? What's your name?
This is Sujata, sir.
Okay, Sujata. Fine. Anyone? So yes, Sujata, you are the winner today because your answer is completely different from others. Yes. So don't worry, guys. No one is winner, no one is loser, no one is gainer. But yes, the answer is correct. No. We cannot update the value of class variable with object only. Using object only, we cannot. I'll tell you the reason. That's please wait. So let me first save this program. And this is so here class object part 3. Shall I change the name or okay, class object part 4. So here let's go and save this program. Company dot java. Right now, so instead of that, you just write this one, new employee dot employee id equal to 344. Again you write the same here. Again you write the same here. And here also you write, print this value, new employee dot, what is that? Employee id, correct? Employee id, emp emp id. This is so object here also, here also, right? Now you see the output here. You will get what is the real value of employee id 343. For all answer, you will get 343 only. Just see. First change to cd. What is that? Class object part 4. Part 4. Okay. Let me go to this path. Go to this path. Where is that class object part? Yeah. So here, Java C. So here company dot Java. But go close the door. So here by Java company. Now see, the value of E is also 343, employee ID 343, a value of E1 with reference variable E1 343, 343, 343. Everywhere we are getting the answer 343. Can you see that? So we are not able to update the value of this variable employee ID. So value of here I should write employee ID, EMP ID with reference. Here reference is not required. Value of employee ID. Value of employee ID. So what is the answer? We cannot update with object the value of the class or any member of the class. We cannot do this. Update the value of the class variable using object only. So answer is clear. Now tell me why. Now tell me why. What is the reason we are not able to update the value?
So is it not because for the first example or for the
Mhm,
first option we used a reference variable, which
mhm.
meant we could obviously create different reference
Yeah,
variables and assign them,
yeah.
whereas with the object you
Mhm.
cannot do that, and therefore it will always just be what was initially assigned.
Oh,
That's what I'm thinking.
okay. Good. Others? Any idea? Please tell you feel free here, yeah. Don't worry that oh sir is asking this, that you all are friends. We can discuss it here. Some knowledge
I
you
would
share,
say,
some knowledge I'll share. If you are wrong, I will correct. If I am wrong, you please correct me.
I
So
would
my
say
question,
the address,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
sorry to.
No, no, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Yeah.
So the address is already defined, then the memory address cannot be changed. I would think
Oh,
like that.
okay, okay. But here with E you got one address, with E1 you have a different address, with E2
Yep,
you have a different address.
yep, okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. So good. At least you people are trying. So see, the crux of this example is whenever you will write this, what is object in this class? In this statement, what is the object? Any one of the statement. Either you take line number 8, line number 11, or line number 14. What is object here?
New employee.
New employee is an object, right? So what statement I have given to you people? Whenever you will create an object, at the same time that class will get loaded into memory. Correct or not? I have given this statement. If you
Yes.
check your theory, whenever we'll create an object at the same time, the class will get loaded into memory. So here, how many times you have written new employee?
Three
Three
times.
times.
Actually, 6 times.
Excellent.
See here, 3 times is here. 1, 2, and 3. What about this one?
Okay.
What about this one? What about this one? So new is a operator which is used to create a new object in Java. So how many times you will write new? That many times object will get created and press copy of this employee class will get loaded into memory. So again it will be pointing to same employee ID and name. Are you clear?
Yes.
So who is not clear, please let me sketch a diagram. It will be clear. So guys, Java like that, interviewer is expecting now from Selenium Java guys, not simply how to click, how to mouse over, how to select element from drop down, all kids behavior gone. They want you how he can play with object oriented program with Selenium. That is what they want, expect from you. That's why you should be very good here. Now this is a starting, just I have started. From today your real class started. Now this is your memory. Let's say I am writing it here one class. Let's say class anything. Let's say I am just I am creating object of the class. Like here you have written employee equal to new employee. First object, new employee. Second, again you have created an object employee E1 equal to new employee. Who didn't understand? Don't worry. Don't be panic. But you should ask. At least you have a right to ask, but you people are not asking also. Very bad. Equal to new employee. Now, sorry. Yeah. So three object I have created. Let's say employee class. Let's say employee. Let's say class employee class having employee ID. Let's say employee ID equal to, let's say 233 is there, right? Now if I will try, so whenever, how many times, how many objects you have created here in this statement, how many objects you have created?
Three.
Three
Three.
objects. Three. New employee, first object. This class get loaded with employee ID equal to 233. With employee ID equal to 233. Right. Now again, if you write new employee dot employee ID, let's say again you write new employee dot employee ID equal to 244. So what will happen? Again this class will get loaded because of this new employee statement. Because of this new employee statement, again this class will, means employee class will get loaded. Again, this is second time. This is first time. This is second time. So still it is pointing to the original value of employee ID. How many times you create? Now this is second, this is third time. New employee you have written, third time this employee class will go. And again this employee ID, press copy. employee ID equal to 233. Even you write new employee dot employee ID, again you write, again it will load this employee class. So new employee object, whenever you are writing, that many times that class will get loaded with the fresh copy, original copy of the data. That's why even you write this statement also doesn't matter. It is first considering this one. New employee means from here flow will come here, it will load this class with the original data. It will not consider this part. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you can see we cannot update. So what is the answer? No, we cannot update. And reason is because
The original class of uploads every day.
whenever we write new employee, that many times class will get loaded with fresh copy of the data, with original copy of variable values. Okay, is it clear? Now if you want to check, see, using this object also you can access the variable. If you want to check, see, new employee dot employee ID, I am able to access the class variable or not? 343. Even you write new employee dot name Isha, even you try to change, always Isha will come. Even you try to change here, let's say, so using this object only we can access the reference variable, the class variable. See here, new employee dot name, from Isha you change to something else. Hi, here you change to buy. Here you change to hello. I think classic. So any times, how many times you write, it will be same. So what lesson we got it from here? This example, we first of all we can access the class member only with object, without reference variable also we can access the class member. Okay, only with object we can access the class member. Only with object also we can access the class member. This is the next lesson. Agreed or not agreed? Only with object also we can access the class variable. If you print now, see, go here. Sorry, I have missed out the semicolon. That is somewhere I have missed out the semicolon. Where I missed out? Can you please see here? Dot here. Well, first of all, this I missed out. Now go and compile one more time. So no problem. Java company. See, we are able to access employee ID. Here I should write name. No problem. You can see. So using only object, we can access the class member. So finally, using object also, we can access the class. Using object only, we can access the class variable. Then what is the use of creating reference variable? Tell me. Then if using object only, if writing this much only is loading the class, then why we are writing like this? What is the use of that then? Right? So you have answer. Then what is the use of
Yeah, for
writing
the
this? To tell me.
To create multiple objects.
To
That
update class variables.
yes, to update the
class.
class variable. Yes. Why we are creating reference variable? We using reference variable, we can update the. So finally, conclusion. Conclusion is using a reference variable, we can update the value, but not with object. Got it? Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yeah. So this is the 4-5 concept we have learned today. Yes. Tomorrow we'll see some more points here in class object, right? And then we will start the new topic after understanding this called constructor. Okay?
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah,
So,
please.
yeah. So, as we have created multiple object of this class, so every time it will allocate it for new address or for same address it will point.
Okay. So first of all, whenever you will create a new object, how can you print the address? You only tell.
with reference variable.
Yeah. So reference variable you will write. Now you write it here, system.out println E1 and E2. Control C. Now here you write E. Control C. Here you write E1. You have now, you know your answer is here. You know the question also. Now you know the answer also. E2. Now we can see exact without doing any mental speculation. We can check it here. Now see the address is different or same. Here three addresses are.
Same. Yeah. All different. Yeah.
Right? You got your answer?
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me, other anyone. Is it clear for you?
I have one question. Sorry, coming back to
Yes,
the
sir.
same. Yeah.
If it is same, sir, then how come the values we can print I mean the
It is
original
not
value?
same. First of all, it is not same.
Yeah, it is not same. Then how
Hmm.
come we are able to print the same value? I
Ah,
mean original value.
yeah. So here, that's why I told. Here you are not writing new employee. Here you are writing the reference, different reference variable. So in the
Yeah,
program,
yeah. Correct, sir. Yes, got
correct.
it. Yep.
Yeah, good. Yes. Yeah. Others, please ask. Do not worry. I'll wait for your doubts. Anyone who doesn't know or who didn't understand even from beginning also, please tell me. Don't worry. I'm very much rigid to make you understand.
So I am coming back to the same thing. Maybe I joined, in the
Oh,
last
not
session,
an issue. Yeah,
last
please,
10 minutes.
carry on.
Yeah.
Please ask.
So again, if you go back to the original
Program.
screen, yeah.
Yes.
So we have assigned some value here, right? So what is the what is the purpose of assigning the value then? I mean,
The purpose is
how can we
just
access these? Yeah.
no. The purpose of updating the values. Let's say you are writing a logic, right? Here, employee ID is provided with 343. So now it's a static, correct? This
Mm.
employee ID is containing 343. Or the name is Isha. Let's say Isha. Now you want to update the name from Isha to Isha Training. How can you update? So their reference variable will only help you to update the existing value. Now you want Isha Training. You don't want Isha. See, anything is developed in this world for modification. Changing is the rule of world. So if something is defined, we can modify and change as per our requirement or not.
Yeah, but
Let's say
we
I
are,
am.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
So we are going
If
to
I am,
change here, right? If we even change, I mean, the
but
assign
if
the
you will
change.
change it here, if you
Mhm.
will change it here, then it will reflect to all the objects, na?
Yes, that's right. Okay.
Right?
Mm.
It will reflect to one place you are changing. I without disturbing the existing things, we should change. Let's say class one international bank, or in India, RBI is the ruler bank of all the banks, right? So all the banks should follow the rules and regulations of RBI. It doesn't mean that you go inside the RBI and for SBI creating an account you change the rule of RBI. No,
Yeah. Yeah.
take the properties from RBI in your class SBI and then change his existing functionality according to your requirement. Don't disturb the existing one. Getting is it something clear to you?
Yeah. Yeah. Now it's clear. Once it is changed here.
So
Um,
if you change here, it will reflect to all the objects, correct? Now, so
mhm.
I want to take, let's say, employee ID. I want to copy of employee ID 345 with this reference variable only. This E1 reference variable. If I'm writing E1 dot employee ID equal to 345, it means, okay, with E1, my value of employee ID is, with E1, my value of employee ID is, let's say, 444. I want this one. So, okay, whenever I want this value, I will use E1 reference. Whenever I want, let's say 458, I will take this reference. So each reference is having individual copy of that object in the memory. So based on my requirement, I can play around that using different reference variable. Which value I want? Okay, today I want ISA, tomorrow I want ISA training, tomorrow I want ISA complete training, so tomorrow I want something else. Let's say I am creating different employee. I am creating the structure of 100 employee ID. So do you think all employee ID will have same number 343? If I want to store 100 employees ID, will it same for all the employee ID?
No.
343. It should be unique, na?
Mm-hmm.
Correct. So I can, using this different reference variable, E1 belong to employee ID 1, E2 belong to employee ID 2. Are you getting?
Yep. Yep.
And with that reference, I can keep on changing. Different reference means address. With this address, he is the employee. At this address, he is the employee. At this address, he is the employee. Getting, huh?
Yeah.
Am
Got
I?
it.
Please don't say forcefully. If you are not, then again I will tell you another example. I will tell you. She is not satisfied now. Okay. See here. See, this is with object, we cannot update the variable. But see here, let's say if I am writing E equal to E dot employee ID equal to 20 201, E1 dot employee ID equal to 202, E2 dot employee ID equal to 203. Now, if I am calling employee 2, how can I call? Boss, I want employee 2 employee ID. Employee 2 ID I want. So will you call E dot employee ID or you will call E2 dot employee ID?
E2.employee.
right? But if e.employee ID is there, it means ID will be same for all the employee, employee 1 also, employee 2 also, if you will not update, right?
Yep.
Now you got some clarity?
Yep. Yep.
Still not? Then tell me another example. I will tell. Silencing is, oh, I should tell, but you tell whether I should tell or not, explain or not.
Oh, no, no, sorry. I got it now. Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine,
Right.
thank you.
It's good. Thank
So,
you.
Yeah.
sir,
Uh-huh.
in another real example, when we're doing our testing, I suppose this is when you use different test data to test for
Yeah,
different test scenarios, right?
correct.
Okay.
Yeah, it will help you different scenario. Let's say automation. You want to launch a browser Chrome, then you will create an object of new Chrome driver. Your driver will update it with new Chrome driver. If you want to launch the browser in Firefox, then new Firefox browser, different reference variable you create. Reference variable, this reference variable pointing to this one, right? So in Selenium, just I am telling one example how you write code here. Let's say you want to launch the application in different browsers. So first you will create the reference of this interface web driver here.
New web drive.
Right? Yeah, not web driver, reference variable name. Now you understood reference variable. So here actually that driver is the variable name, reference variable name. You can write any name here, WD, whatever name you want to write. Okay. So here now new Chrome driver. See, now WD equal to, you write now new Firefox driver. I am writing in short. Now WD equal to new is, means new as driver. I am writing just to make you understand. So see, with the same reference variable, it is pointing to different object. So here this concept is related. Now you can create the object of Chrome browser. Let's say here, if I have written instead of web driver, I have written Chrome driver. Chrome driver is a class in Selenium. Class. Just don't think what is Chrome driver or not. Just see this is the class name. Chrome driver is a class name. Here what I am doing, you only can tell. You know this. What I am doing here, I am creating an object of Chrome driver. Correct or not?
Correct.
Right. So just don't think what is Chrome driver. Chrome driver is a class. That's it. And here what I am doing, I am creating an object of Chrome driver. Now here Firefox driver. This is a class. Now what I am doing, I am creating the object of Firefox driver. Correct or not? Now,
Yeah, but I have a question. We are
yeah,
using same reference
yeah,
for all the.
please wait. Please wait. I will come to your question. Just give me 30 seconds. Another 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. S driver, here WD again I am writing, and here also I am writing S driver. Now you only tell, whenever you will use this WD reference variable, your Selenium will get confused. Boss, this WD is pointing to Chrome driver also, Firefox driver also, and S driver also. So which browser I should launch? Correct or not? So here ambiguity error will come. JVM will confuse. Yes, same reference is pointing to Chrome driver also. No, it cannot happen. So how can we create multiple objects? Using different reference variables. So here, if you write WD1, WD2, this means, oh, WD means it is pointing to Chrome driver. WD1 means it is pointing to Firefox driver. WD2 means it is pointing to Edge driver. Is it clear?
Yes,
That
sir.
is the use of creating different reference variable. Now, yeah, someone was asking something. Please tell me. Just
No,
now.
you answered my question already. Yeah, because right
Ah,
now we are using
ah.
different reference variable, which is correct. Yeah.
Yeah,
Now,
that's why intentionally I made it WD for all the object. So if I've been using same reference variable for all the object, First of all, syntactically it's wrong. Why it's wrong? The answer is same reference, same address. How same address can point to me, you, others, Sujata or whoever, Boni, anyone, Govind. Same address cannot point to everyone. If we captured everyone in one room, that's another scenario. But you all are from different location. How I can refer everyone with the same address, right? So reference variable means address. So this address is holding the address of Chrome driver. This reference variable is holding the address of Firefox driver. WD2 is holding the address of S drive. So now you can, whenever you write wd.get https google.com, it will launch in Chrome browser. Whenever you will write wd1.google.com, it will launch in Firefox driver. When you will write wd2.google.com, then it will launch in S drive. Is it clear for everyone or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here, don't think this is Selenium and all. This is just a class. I'm creating object. Once I will teach you interface, then you will get the meaning of this one also. Why we are assigning different browser to same reference variable. So that is what multiple inheritance can be achieved in Java using interfaces. That time you will very much confident on Selenium. And don't think WebDriver means this is a reference variable. You can write yours name also. I am writing my name also. It's okay. That's fine. It will work 100%. This is all a reference variable. So is it clear for everyone, guys? I am commenting just for understanding purpose. Yeah. Any doubt other than this?
So can you please don't forget to paste the code or the program on the chat, please?
I
And
will,
then
I will 100%. And guys, today only I am going to decide with management like proper Microsoft Teams, because here I am not able to transfer the file itself. I am copy and pasting you. That is not a professional etiquette. So they have created the account, but that is not working. So from tomorrow we will be working on Microsoft Teams. There we can send the file, whatever we can do attachment, and we can do that. So from tomorrow, you won't face any difficulty. So this is part 4 program. Let me copy and paste. Guys, one by one, you take and copy and paste these programs. Just take this. And from tomorrow, they will share the different channels. So this is last program. Sorry. This is part 3. Yeah. I hope this will make you clear. Is anything I am missing? So 2 programs I sent. Is it okay? I have shared in the chat. Please copy, everyone. Please copy both the programs.
okay, thanks, sir.
Yeah. And here on comment, I have written all the things, whatever we need to write. Yeah. Because today we are just doing the scenarios. And based on scenarios, I am teaching you the concept. That's it. Yeah, everyone, please ask. If still you have a doubt, please ask. I will be staying here only. Anything, or shall we wind up?
Yeah, I have a
Haha.
doubt actually. So we have gone through this classes, objects, and all. So just wanted to confirm regarding one point. So when we had session 2 days back, there was a
Mhm.
point like a object is a real world ent-
Entity.
and we now after that we have gone through this classes, objects, and all. Now I'm unable to connect that
Correct.
point.
When I was studying in engineering college, then there was a book author. So he has written Kanitkar. So there the definition was now also object is a real world entity. So that is non-technical definition to make you understand.
Okay.
Anything in this world is an object. So you
Okay.
mean to say whatever you can see, you can feel, that is an object.
Okay.
Even air is an object. You cannot see, but you can feel. Huh?
Yeah.
So which is having some real existence is an object.
Okay.
So here also, this class employee does not have any real existence unless and until you create an object of this employee class. If you will not create object of this one, then this class will not get loaded. It is simply sleeping in this program. That's object means real existence. So once you create an object of this employee, you will get the real existence of employee. Then only you can paste the output of employee ID, name, and all this class will get loaded into memory. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Yes. Another doubt? Please don't hesitate. I am here to resolve. If you have time, I have also time. I will do my work little later. But you should be confident after leaving the class. Same day, same thing should be clear. If not clear, then what is the use of teaching? Yes. Anyone? Anyone? Any doubt? So shall we wind up? If no doubt, silence is big weapon. In the software company also, in training also, silence means yes or no. Let him decide. Yeah. So you all are okay? Shall we wind up or still you have a doubt? Please ask me.
No doubts from
Good,
my end.
good. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's meet tomorrow. And in channel WhatsApp group,
Thank you, sir.
link will be updated. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank,
Have a nice
thank,
day.
Thank
thanks.
you.
Bye. Bye. Bye.